Hello students, continuing with previous topic of lesson number 4 using table in MS Access. In this video I will explain different terms used in MS Access. Uh, After you have creating the database, you need to create at least one table. Access uses tables to define the structure of the data in your database. Each table contains a collection of related information. Access provides a table wizard to help you to create common type of table. So here I want to define the term table. A table is a collection of records that can be divided into fields. It is fundamental structure of a database. It is organized in rows and columns. Rows is known as a tuple and columns is known as fields in database. Table is also known as relation. Next, tables are made up of groups of fields. A field is a specific type of information, and a field is the same type of information such as name of all the students. Next term is a database. Database is a collection of related data which is associated with topic. Again, table I have already explained it. And next is a field name. Field name is a label to identify a field in a database. Each field hold a single piece of information about the record in which it resides. Next is a field. A field is the smallest unit of stored data. It is one piece of data or information about a person or a thing. Next term is record. A record contains the value for all the fields that belongs to a single person or an entity. We can say that records are the rows representing one complete unit of information. Next is understanding primary key. In a database, a field which stores a unique value for each record and hence can uniquely identify a row record is called a primary key. MS Access will prevent duplicate or null values for being entered in the primary key field. A primary key is a field or combination of fields that uniquely identify each records in a table. It does not have duplicate values in the relation. Next, example, in the real world it is possible to have two people from the same city with the same first and last name. In these cases like this, we can use the ID field as the primary key field to make each record unique. The ID field has a data type of auto number. As a result, Access automatically creates a unique number for each record in the database. Next is tables in MS Access have two views. First view is design view, second is a data sheet view. In design view is used to modify the structure of the table, and data sheet view is used to add, delete, view and edit data in a table. That's all for this video. The rest of the topic I will cover in next video. Thank you.